Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn some colors name. Navy blue color, green color, sky blue color, black color, orange color, dark pink color, red color, violet color. Today we will trace A, B, C, D. So let's get started. A for alligator. B for banana. C for cartoon. D for dolphin. E for eagle. F for fox. G for garden. H for hippopotamus. I for igloo. J for jelly. K for koala. L for lily. M for marigold. N for nail. O for ostrich. P for penguin. Q for quail. R for rose. S for sunflower. T for table. U for unicorn. V for vegetables. W for whale. X for Christmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Now let's revise. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. You have to practice this every day and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.